If you constantly feel distracted, lazy, and never at peace, this video is your wake-up call. Here's how to control your brain before it's too late. Step 1. Reclaim attention as your currency. Your attention is your most valuable asset, but you spend it like it's infinite. Every scroll, every click is a transaction. Ask yourself, who profits from your distraction? Not you. You must start treating your focus like money. Invest it where it grows, not where it gets stolen. Read deep, think slow, let boredom come. It's the birthplace of creativity. The ability to direct your attention is the foundation of a controlled mind. Step 2. Separate impulse from identity. You are not your thoughts. You are not your urges. The modern brain is flooded with noise, so much so that we confuse reaction with truth. Learn to observe. A thought appears, let it pass. An urge, to quit, to escape, to scroll. Watch it like a cloud. The gap between stimulus and response is your freedom. The more you widen that gap, the more powerful you become. Step 3, align your life with long-term consequence. Every action is a vote for the person you become. Do not live for stimulation, live for structure. A mind without direction becomes a slave to ease. Start choosing discomfort that compounds. Studying over scrolling, silence over noise, action over delay. Most people will drift through life, confusing chaos for freedom. But those who control their brain, they control time, choices, and outcomes. They stop existing and begin living.